We're here! Look, oh my gosh. Look, oh my gosh! Meron silang sarili nilang pool. Tapos ito yung house. Pwede nyo ring i-rent yan ng buo. Pero dito lang kami sa room na to, yung Sterling room. So, separately kami dun sa house. So, meron tayong pool. Tapos, sa harap tayo ng beach. Oh my gosh, look. So peaceful. Di pa pala ako na mag-intro. Hi guys! Welcome back to another vlog. So today, andito tayo sa Gems Beach Resort sa Sambales. Ba tayo, everyone? Subic, Zambales. So, ayun, andito tayo ngayon. And, we're with the dogs. Dahil pwede ang dogs dito. Tapos, meron tayong CR dito. Siyempre, parang personal. So, hi guys! Charot! Lunchtime by Mami J.
5 o'clock na po.
This is our apritada. Chicken apritada. So this is actually their first time na magpunta sa beach. So first time nila sa sand.
Yeah. Hello
vlog, welcome to my
guys. So we're here in Zambales and we're drinking Bacardi. Para ubos na yung Cuervo. Tapos we have lemon. We have orange. Gigibe.
The salt.
Of course, the salt. Don't you forget the salt. The salt is part of the Cuervo. Okay? Nanabe, come here. Nanabe. Hey! Meron tokwat baboy dito gawa ni Seth. What's the ingredients of tokwat and baboy? Seth! Tokwa, syempre, tsaka baboy. Tapos may nakita ko onting celery and kinchay, okay. Kinchay, celery, oyster sauce, toyo, salt, pepper, onion, garlic, some siling labuyo, you know, for the taste. And if you don't have toyo, don't you worry, we have toyo. I have toyo. Nanabe. Ay, ang galing yan. Dito pala yung camera. Bakit wala dito? Dapat nandito pala.
Quiet, Jeka. Oh, see, I'm Englishing na, so the Cuervo hit me already. But nahihilo pa lang ako and I can remember everything still. So, this is the Bacardi review. Bacardi review.
Galing, nag-aalak review.
Yeah, I'm so sorry guys. This is for 18 plus only. Okay, I want you guys to take your alcohol seriously and slowly. Like for me, just started drinking alcohol when I turned 23. Remember my birthday vlog? That was my first time to be like drunk and all.
Yeah.
So take your alcohol seriously.
Baby.
Okay.
Baby.
But,
Gigi, baby.
Where is the...
Gigi, baby.
It's so hot.
Gigi, baby.
So we are waiting for our
Baby,
back.
you want some chinka? Chinka?
Wag mong bigay yung buo. Siyempre, himayan mo siya, sis.
Baby, chinka, chinka, chinka.
Tulog na siya. Bukas na yan. Breakfast niya na yung chicken.
Chinka!
Tingnan mo ginagawa sa anak mo.
Chinka! Smash, smash, smash. Yummy!
She's done. You na.
You're the...
Oh, it's me already.
Ah, good luck, Tisha May!
Okay, this is Lou Sanchez before Bacardi. Hey, stop the music. I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging.
Sorry.
Does this work all?
Coke.
Why does it need
alam ko
to
ba
be?
bawal pagka ano?
No, Coke. Bacardi Coke. No, Bacardi Coke.
Okay, Bacardi Coke.
Bacardi Coke.
From the guru. Again, guys, drink responsibly, okay?
Ah, yeah, drink responsibly. Where's Gigi Nana?
Oh, they're in front of you. Hiro,
Gigi is not
she's sleeping already. Don't wake her up.
Gigi, baby!
Sash. Oh, here I am. This is the Bacardi review of Lou Sanchez 2002.
And two.
February
2002?
2022!
February 16, 2022. This is my review.
16.
This is after Alfonso and
Oh
Cuervo
my God!
already.
This is Lou Sanchez before
Quiet,
one
baby.
shot of Bacardi.
Yeah. But with a mix of alcohol again, I know what I'm saying. I drank already Alfonso and Cuervo, so this is the third drink tonight. So this is our review.
Go, Trisha, go, Trisha.
Oh, it's
Go, Lou!
quiet. I'm
Come on,
reviewing.
Come on.
It smells like Cuervos also. Or I don't know, maybe it's because the Cuervo is here beforehand. Beforehand.
Nana, best taken the alcohol.
You stupid. It's the same
No,
as
it's not.
Alfonso.
It's not. I'm
It's
telling-
more yummy.
Yeah, I'm telling you, it's not. You just wait. Wait.
Good morning! It's our second day at medyo late na actually. Kasi nga, oras na kami natulog? 4 a.m. na kami nakatulog kagabi, sis. Like, hindi naman ako, again, just like my birthday ko, napanood niyo yung birthday ko, nahilo ako, pero feeling ko hindi pa yun yung pinakarurok ng kalashingan na kaya kong gawin, okay? Nag-stop lang ako kasi as in wavy na. Ay, eto yung natin, yung alam mo bang nag-vlog ka kagabi? Hindi niya alam. Ibig sabihin, mas
Welcome to my...
totoo ang balita. Pag marami kang pinaghalo-halong drinks, nakaka-fresh. Char. Huwag niyong gayahin yun, ha? Uy, tinan mo, twinnings kami. Twinnings.
Itsura.
Anyway, tinan niyo yung skin ko. It's like glowing. I didn't put any skincare last night. It's just that it's glowing by itself. Breakfast! Tinin. Ay, bago to! Hala, may fried rice. Ang dami nating food. Yan, meron kami tosino. Ako nagluto niyan.
Wow.
Tapos si Jeka. Pala no, ang kina ng mga niluto. So, that's our breakfast for today. Hi guys! So we are finally home and I highly recommend Gems Resort to you guys. Medyo malayo nga lang siya kasi from QC kami. So nasa Subic, Zambales siya. Pagdating nyo sa Subic mismo, hindi siya kahilera ng mga resort doon. Medyo malayo pa siya. Nasa mga 1 hour pa yung biyahe. Walang masyadong tao. Okay, ayun yung isa sa mga gusto ko doon. Hindi siya crowded. Walang noise. Like yung walang time limit pagdating sa noise. Like pwede ka mag-video okay kahit madaling araw na like sis walang sisita sa'yo. And sobrang peaceful lang kasi nung, ayun nga, yung walang masyadong tao. Alam niyo naman ngayon, di ba, masela na tayo sa mga crowded places. So ayun, kahit medyo malayo siya, it's very okay for us. To be honest, kasi parang sulit talaga yung punta mo doon. Lalo na kung kukunin nyo yung villa, kung marami kayo, masusulit nyo talaga yun. Kami kasi yung room lang yung nakuha namin, yung Sterling room. If you are interested sa mga rates nila, you can message yung Facebook nila kasi nasa automatic replies nila yung rates, tsaka yung mga iba't ibang type ng rooms kasi nga may iba-ibang type ng rooms. May Sterling room, yung kinuha namin, yung isang kwarto lang. And then, meron sila yung buong house, yung buong villa, and then meron silang mga cabins, ganyan. So, make sure to message them if you're interested sa mga rates. Unfortunately, hindi kami nakaligo sa dagat man o sa swimming pool kasi sobrang init. Okay, sobrang init. Pagdating namin doon, siguro mga 3 na kami nakarating doon, and hapon na, so ang sakit na sa balat ng init. Tapos, syempre, nag-inom kami nung gabi. So, kinabukasan, late na rin kami nagising. Hindi kami nakapag-swimming sa dagat ng morning. Kasi yun yung perfect time na mag-swimming ka sa dagat yung umaga para fresh, tapos hindi mainit. Alam niyo yun? Wala, inabutan na kami ng tanghali. Doon lang kami nakalabas. At saka ayun, one lesson learned dito sa trip namin na to, hindi na ako magdadala ng ingredients, tapos doon magluluto. I'll make sure sa lahat ng alis ko, kung ano man yung pagkaing nakatoka sa akin, yun yung pwede ko nang iluto dito sa bahay. Tapos dadalhin ko na lang doon. Ayoko na yung ganun magdadala ng ingredients. Sobrang daming dala. Pero ayun, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. And magkakaroon pa tayo ng isa pang resort vlog kasi pupunta kami ng The Cabin next week. So, stay tuned kayo dun. I'm super excited kasi hopefully naman, diba sana maka-swimming na ako sa swimming pool. Pero actually, dun sa condo, sa office, merong swimming pool dun. So, baka anytime soon, kasi nga crave na nga ako mag-swimming, baka mag-swimming na ako dun. No? So, that is it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching and I will see you on my next one. Bye!